Jeff has inflated his Feathercraft fine Canadian product, assembling his seat.
Just kicking his ass.
Obviously apparent of the rigidity of the exoskeleton frame, as I like to call it. Quite a nice design. So we're getting ready to go up the Shark River in Luba, Equatorial Guinea, West Africa. We've got a Innova Safari all set and ready to go with Andrew and Jeff in his Feathercraft beautiful red boat. Hopefully we don't get taken captive by the local military because they think we're doing something nefarious. Anyways, we're just two adventure seekers trying to have some fun. I'll shut the hell up and let the tape speak for itself.